Ever wondered what lies beneath the ground we walk on? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of the Earth's crust. Picture a gigantic jigsaw puzzle spread all over the globe. This puzzle, my friends, is what we call the Earth's crust. It's made of several layers, each playing a unique role. Some layers help grow our food, others shape the land we live on, and some even cause earthquakes. The Earth's crust, a hidden puzzle beneath our feet, shapes and reshapes our world every day. What causes a mountain to suddenly spew fire and ash? Let's explore the birth of a volcano. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant puzzle. When a piece shifts, a crack forms. Deep inside the Earth, there's a hot, gooey substance called magma. When there's a crack, magma seizes this chance, rushes up and bursts through, creating a volcano. It's like a bubbly soda escaping a shaken bottle. And that's how a peaceful mountain transforms into a fiery volcano. Now, what makes a volcano burst into a dance of fire and ash? Picture this. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, pressure builds like a shaken soda can. When the Earth's crust can't hold it in any longer, kaboom! The volcano erupts, spewing lava and ash high into the sky. It's like a spectacular fountain, but instead of water, it's molten rock. This lava flows down the volcano's sides, creating a fiery, mesmerizing spectacle. So, a volcanic eruption is like nature's grand, fiery dance. Ever wondered what happens after a volcano erupts? Well, it's quite an intriguing process. The molten lava cools down and hardens, creating new landscapes. The ash, though it seems destructive, enriches the soil, making it perfect for new plant life to thrive. Over time, these new landforms become habitats for various creatures. Yes, it's a cycle of transformation. An eruption may seem destructive, but it's also a new beginning, creating new landforms and habitats. So, are you ready to explore the mysteries of the Earth? We've pieced together Earth's crust, witnessed a volcano's birth, danced with an eruption, and saw new beginnings in the aftermath. Remember, every step we take, we're walking on a magical world beneath our feet.